Was it hard? This is like going back into reality, like after experiencing that you're not the body.
When I got into meditation, I felt this presence of God. I felt a strong presence just dawn there. ठीक है, तो जब मैं meditation room में गई और अपने meditation chair पे बैठी, I started meditating, and थोड़ी time में ही I felt this strong presence. मैं डर से आँख नहीं खोली, thinking कि अगर मैं आँख खोलती हूँ तो वो presence चला जाएगा. But something inside me told कि this is Krishna, and I offered him to sit. And then when I did offer him to sit, he was still standing. I felt he's still standing. And then I left my seat for him and moved towards the other side. ठीक है? And then he guided me into meditation, where he actually told me that, see, divide your body and see from where the sense of I is rising. Okay? So this part, where is the sense of I rising from in the body? And somewhere here in the heart center, I was sucked in completely. So, okay, so with the one-pointed mind, you just have to stay there for long enough, that sense of I am. And because if you have so much of devotion, love, then you want to stay there because you know that is the God self in you, right? And you want to be united with that. और जैसे रमन महर्षि ने exactly कहा है ना कि जब आप trace करते हो I am को, there is something higher that comes up and sucks you in. Exactly the same thing happens.
Wow. Did it change your perspective like after that experience? Like उसके बाद क्या हुआ था? Like did that inspire you to write your book as well, or?
Of course, that was I have written about that Samadhi experience in my book. Yeah. But that is not the only thing that inspired me to write this book. It was mostly because I felt that there are so many people suffering. Those people who lose their loved ones, they also suffer. And because spirituality has helped me to come out of it, if I can show them the way and give them a helping hand, that was the reason I wrote this book. And somehow I read this chapter on universal responsibility when I was in 1 month meditation. तब मुझे लगा कि ये मेरी responsibility है कि लिखना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर आप बस अकेले खुश हो रहे हो, happy हो, spirituality से benefit कर रहे हो, आप किसी को help नहीं कर रहे हो, तो I don't think that is a good thing to do.
Okay. So the title is Pain, A Portal to Enlightenment. तो आप थोड़ा बता सकते हो, डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो बुक के बारे में, क्या लाइक आपका एक तो पर्पस क्या है बुक लिखने का, एंड ऑल्सो थोड़ा सा अगर डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो ऑडियंस को a little bit.
देखो आर्यन, हम सब सारे ह्यूमंस को सफ़र करना पड़ता है, एंड आई डोंट थिंक it's by accident. It's actually by design. God has created it that way, that as humans, as identity, we suffer and we fail. So that when we fail in externalities, external world, and even after achieving things, if we fail, it, in a way, like success in itself becomes failure for you, then you start asking this question that, who am I? Why am I here? What is it that will really satisfy me in long run, right? What is that, eternal happiness?
Happiness.